good, y'all? It's your boy George, back with another unboxing review and on-foot look at the Vans Notre Old Skool. We're gonna go ahead and take a closer detailed look, as well as get a look on feet and talk about sizing and all that. So let's just jump right into it, guys. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and take a closer look at these Notre Vans Old Skool. These released on Saturday, November 7th. The retail price for these was $90. The blue pair was the pair that sold out the quickest, which is the pair I ended up getting. Then I believe it was a red pair that sold out, and then black and white stayed on for a little while longer, but these shoes pretty much sold out within probably a couple, like the first couple, like 2 hours. So let's go ahead and take a detailed look at these. The box is a pretty nice box that I like, and I love the colors. It's a nice green and a marshmallow like cream colorway. You got the Notre logo on the side, on this side. On here you got the Vans Notre. Then we got the size 10.5. Then on the other one you have the Vans logo, Notre logo, just spread across the box right here. I think it's a nice touch. One of the nicest Vans boxes that I've gotten in a while. And here we are. So like I said, I got the blue pair. I think this was the coolest colorway for me. I think I can wear these with mostly anything. I have a lot of black pair of Vans already. I also have several white pairs of Vans, like the cream off-white Vans. So I decided to go with blue instead of red because I feel like my wardrobe right now is more of like these neutral colors, and this blue definitely can fit right into that. So for the midsole, we got a nice marshmallow midsole. One of my favorite things in Vans to have. I think it just makes it look so much nicer when they have this marshmallow sole. The upper, we have a dark blue suede, like a navy suede right here. And then on this side, we have a lighter suede with the Notre logo where the Vans check usually is. The back heel right here, also suede, navy suede. You got the off the wall logo right there. And the cool thing about this is like it flips, it changes right here. Once you come to this side, you have a nice canvas like your regular Old Skool and just a regular Van. You got the canvas material right here on the inside. You also have a blue suede Vans logo right here, the Vans check. And you got the navy right here. The tongue on this is actually suede all the way. The inside, the liner is actually white leather, which is a nice touch. I think it's more durable and it lasts you longer. And it's easier to slip in and put your foot in. The inside, you see the Notre Vans. Canvas on the other side, 10.5. For these sizing that I recommend, I just go true to size, guys. If you have a pair of Vans, I'm sure you've tried them on. I always go true to size on these. I'm a true 10.5, so this fit is going to be perfect for me. But guys, what did you think about this shoe? Were you able to get a pair? Are you going to pay resale for a pair? They're not that expensive. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a on-foot look and show you how they look like on feet. And let me know in the comments below, guys, if you're going to go ahead and pick up a pair of these. So let's jump into that on-foot look right now. Alright guys, well thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and give this video a like. Greatly help me in my channel, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you subscribe, click the little bell notification so you get a notification every time I post a video. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.